こんにちは。Welcome to すき焼き TV。Hi everyone. Today's recipe is chicken and egg bowl called Oyakodon in Japanese. There are many rice bowl dishes in Japan, but Oyakodon is one of the most popular dishes that everyone from children to adults loves. Oyako bowl is derived from using chicken and egg. Oya means parent, ko means child. Oyakodon is said to have originated from the chicken restaurant Tamahide, founded in 1760 in Tokyo. It's a popular restaurant for both Japanese and foreigners as it offers the finest oyakodon, and I also have a memory of getting in line to eat it. Oyakodon, which has become a popular Japanese home-cooked rice bowl now, has the addictive taste of its harmony of juicy chicken and fluffy eggs. Here are today's ingredients. If you don't have mirin, please add 3 tablespoons of sake and 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can substitute 2 tablespoons of white wine for sake. Today, we use powder dashi bonito from the addictive-free dashi store, Uneno, in Kyoto Prefecture. Please check this special powder dashi introduced at the end of the video. 2 tips for today's recipe. Tip 1. In order to bring out the umami and aroma of the ingredients, be sure to put the ingredients in an unheated frying pan. Tip 2. Divide eggs 3 times and pour in a frying pan in a circular motion from the center in order to cook them softly. Alright, let's cook. Cut onion into 5 mm widths. Cut chicken along the fiber into 2 cm widths. Then cut them against the fiber into 2 cm pieces. Crack eggs into a bowl and beat them lightly. Blend dashi stock, mirin, and soy sauce in a frying pan. Put the onion and chicken while loosening without heating. Boil over medium-high heat while occasionally stirring. Make sure not to stir too much. Continue to boil for about 3 to 4 minutes. When the sauce boiled down, pour a third part of lightly beaten eggs using a circular motion from the center. Use chopsticks to gently blend the eggs inside so that they don't set. When the eggs have set a little, add a third part of eggs and do the same. Pour the last third part of eggs and turn off the heat before setting. Serve on rice bowls. It is also delicious if you top with mitsuba and sprinkle with powdered sansho. Ready to eat! いただきます。Our favorite dashi. Dashi is the basis of the Japanese traditional food culture, Washoku, and umami of dashi makes your dishes much more delicious. Dashi is generally made by boiling kelp, bonito flakes, shiitake mushrooms, etc. In Japan, dashi is used for daily cooking, but it may be bothering to take dashi every time. In such a case, powder dashi that can be easily dissolved in water is convenient. It's a handy item that you can easily add umami of Japanese dashi to your dishes. Today, we use powder dashi bonito from the addictive-free dashi store Uneno in Kyoto, which has a history of over 100 years. The craftsman's handmade dashi, made from ingredients that have all been produced in Japan, is very rich in aroma and makes your dishes much more delicious. We have a baby who is just 1 year old, and we use this dashi safely for baby food as well, because no chemical seasoning or salt are used. Kyoto, where Uneno is located, is a popular city for foreign tourists, but it is also the most famous destination for Japanese students on school and graduation trips. I also visited Kyoto for the first time on a high school graduation trip with my friends and was impressed by the many historical places such as Kiyomizu Temple, Kinkakuji Temple, and Fushimi Inari Taisha. Kyoto is a special place where you can feel Japanese-ness. Thank you for watching! ありがとう